What's happening, y'all? It's Josh from Drive the Coast. Just got this amazing 1972 Chevrolet K5 Blazer. Has a brand new LS3 in it with a 4L60 transmission, automatic. It is brand new. Got 1,200 miles on it. That's what it's showing on the new digital gauges. So absolutely stunning Blazer. I've been driving it around personally as the owner of Drive the Coast, and I love the way it sounds. Love the responsiveness on the throttle and obviously the reliability of it. So before we do a full walk around, I know everybody's eager beaver, so we'll just pop the hood here real quick. There is the build. It's that LS3, air conditioning, power steering, all new everything. New aluminum radiator, electric fans, disc brakes, super clean install on the air conditioning going through the firewall. Got new springs, new hood hinges. There's electric fans there. Everything dialed in. Super, super nice. Looks like a new core support. BF Goodrich all-terrains. Got the hard top, has the roll bar underneath. Owner did it with a little bit of patina underneath the clear coat. That's the way it was built in Oklahoma. Beautiful wood grain trim there. Chrome bumper, 2-inch receiver hitch. Just wanted to show how clean the metal is. Doesn't get any better. So there's some covers for the fenders if owner wanted to do that. But how clean this metal is. Perfect condition. So that's what we like to see. Beautiful on the sides there. Tailgate as well. Upholstery's all new. Hardtop looks to be in great shape as well. Love the wood grain trim there. Hopping on inside. Got the houndstooth inserts on the bucket seats. 3-spoke steering wheel. Door panels all look brand new. Dash looks all brand new. Same with the rear seat. Beautiful condition there. Really well done. Digital gauges. Everything works like it should. Yeehaw. Definitely extremely fun to drive this truck. So, disc brakes up front. Love it. Let's go for a test drive. Let me get it out of the shop here. All right, Mr. Ken's gonna hop in. Got our door open. Man, a beautiful day in Florida. Let's do it. What's happening, Ken?
What up?
Let's go for a ride, man. Yep, we rolling.
Yeah, I love those gates.
I know, right? Super clean. All right, y'all, we got the Blazer out. We're gonna put the hammer down, see what this baby can do. We were looking in the glove box just now, and original color for the truck, medium bronze. Well as the white hardtop also is original to the truck. So, love that. Let's go. away real fast.
Hold on to your hat with this one.
Yeah, I'll do. Let's do it again. Barely have my foot in it there, but yeah, she dialed in, man. That's sweet. Towed my boat too. Gauges are all working. You know, this truck is just dialed in, y'all. Obviously, for the price, should be a super nice truck. Should be ready to go, and it is showing 1,333 miles on the odometer. Yeah, AC blows ice cold. It's from Vintage Air. Heat, cool, defrost. All doing what it should do. You got 6-speed transmission, overdrive, super low RPMs on the highway. Yeehaw. I like it. I know somebody's out there looking for this truck. I'm sure you'll find it. But yeah, we do have nationwide shipping and financing available. Lots of other classic cars and trucks. But man, I love this one. If you're looking for LS powered, looking for something that's done super nice, this will be your truck. Although this Suburban right here, that's a pretty cool truck too. So anyway, y'all give us a call, 850-502-1899.